Wait, Russell.
Corona.
Russell, don't do it again. Wait,
Oh. Not Russell.
What? Peter Russell Clark.
Do it at the same time.
Yeah, don't you fucking do it again.
Oh, fuck.
Don't do it again. Seriously.
No, your hair will get stuck in it and rip out.
Oh.
Wait. Russell, look me into it. I'll smash my head on it.
Dude.
Yeah. Ready? Are you serious? Yeah, no heads. No heads. No heads.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh, that's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Now you're not allowed to go to
It's
sleep.
just, you have like,
What's next?
like gloves everywhere.
Oh, what's next? Oh, I live my nuts into it.
Yes.
Oh. Do your nuts, do your nuts, do your nuts.
Pull 'em out all the
Do your
time,
nuts.
mate. Oh my god. Pull your nuts out, I'll flop you on them. I'll flop you on them.
Oh my god, I can't watch. But the camera can.
Brad, you gotta film this.
I'm filming, I'm filming. Oi.
That's enough, dude. I don't need more legs than that.
No.
Oi, it's your turn now. Oi, watch the leg. Oi,
Yeah, alright.
don't lay on the fucking table. Don't lay on the table, you fucking dog. Oi,
It's alright.
don't get excited or you're fucked.
Someone listen. He's gonna hurt. Ready? One, two. It didn't break.
Oh my god. I'm not sure what happened. Going up in the fucking fan.
Yeah, I did, I got it all. I got it all.
Biting my tongue.
Oh my god.
He put his nuts in the fan and it's still going. That is that is the best thing I've ever seen.
Full blast?
Yeah, it was full blast, man.
Right, you got full blast now.
No. Look at that, you broke my fucking short. It's my best short, damn it. Oh, keep it off.
Oh my god.
That's the fuck, man. Dude, that was me. Your ass is hanging out now. Say no.
My fucking shorts are broken, dick, and no shit, they're fucking hanging out.
Talk about him if you're...
It's your idea.
It's my idea, I'm an idiot.
Oh.
Oh my god, I've never seen a dick foot in a van. In slow motion, see my fucking
Woo!